In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download database from Firestore. Backing up your data is essential, and the Firebase console makes it quick to grab a copy you can store or inspect. Before you begin, make sure you're signed into the Firebase console with permission to view your project. Start by opening the Firebase console in your browser and selecting the project you want to work with. Once you're on the project overview, look to the left sidebar for the Databases and Storage area. Hover your mouse over it to reveal the available database products. From that menu, choose Real-Time Database. In many apps, data may live either in Cloud Firestore or in Real-Time Database. This walkthrough shows the export flow available in the Real-Time Database section, which produces a JSON file. If your app uses Firestore, you'll find similar options in the Firestore area, but the steps and export format can differ. With the real-time database open, make sure you're on the Data tab so you can see your root data tree. In the upper right corner of the data viewer, you'll see a three-dot More menu. Click that menu to open the available actions for your database. From the list, select Export JSON. The console will package the current contents of your real-time database into a single JSON file. Your browser will begin downloading it automatically. Depending on your browser settings, you might be asked where to save the file. Pick a secure, memorable location on your computer, and consider naming the file with today's date so it's easy to identify later. A few quick tips as the download completes. Large data sets can take a little time to export, so don't close the tab until the download finishes. The JSON file reflects the data and security rules you have access to. If something seems missing, double-check that you're viewing the correct project and have the necessary permissions. After downloading, you can open the file in any text editor or JSON viewer to verify the structure. Be mindful that this file can contain real user data, so store it securely and avoid committing it to public repositories. And that's it. You went from the Firebase console to the real-time database view, opened the More menu, and exported your data as JSON. Keep this file as a backup, use it for debugging, or load it into your development environment when you need realistic test data. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.